Activist investors can drive up share price to more than 50% in just a few months. We're about to show you how. An activist investor is usually a billionaire who takes more than a 5% stake in a company and pressures leadership to make major changes that drive up the stock price. They push for layoffs, leadership shakeups, and stock buybacks. When these events unfold, the stock often rallies, either quickly or steadily over time. But not all activist investors are successful. That's why LevelFields AI only tracks the top performing activists, those with a track record of creating major shareholder value. This strategy is great for beginners, investors with little time to actively trade, or anyone looking for a simple way to outperform the market. Here's how to trade it, step by step. Step 1. Get the alert when a top activist investor steps in. Step 2. Buy the stock. Step 3. Hold for 6 to 12 months as the changes take effect. Step 4. Look for gains of 40% or more. Here's what happened with Salesforce. On October 18, 2022, an activist billionaire revealed they had taken a greater than 5% stake. Salesforce popped 4.3% that day. On November 8, 2022, Salesforce announced layoffs, setting the stage for more aggressive cost-cutting. On November 30, 2022, a top executive stepped down. The stock dropped another 8%, clearing the way for leadership changes. On January 4, 2023, Salesforce confirmed a major restructuring with 10% staff layoffs. 2 days later, on January 6, 2023, more layoffs were announced. On January 22, 2023, another activist billionaire took a significant position. Then on March 1, 2023, Salesforce announced a $20 billion stock buyback. The stock jumped 11.5% in one day. From January 22, 2023, when the second activist stepped in, Salesforce opened at $144.3. By the end of May 2023, it closed at $223.3. That's a 54% gain in just over 4 months. One alert, a simple buy and hold strategy, more than 50% returns by letting the changes play out. And Salesforce isn't the only example. These events happen every month. LevelFields AI scans 30,000 documents per minute to detect these events before the crowd reacts, tracking only the highest performing activist investors to ensure you're ahead of the market.